Good afternoon.
Hello, Global family. Welcome to Global Business 2027. This is our business meeting, and we are discussing today about one island in Maldives. Let's invite our presenter, Ina.
Hi,
Ina,
good
welcome.
afternoon.
Yes.
Yes, welcome. Hi, Nick.
Hi.
Thank you for the opportunity. We are here to present the business investment plan for the Maldives. And I'm representing Sam Travel Tour Investment together with my colleague Sam Amit Sama. Here are the agenda, the mission statement of the company description. We have the business overview and funding for an executive summary. Our mission statements are: we are committed to putting our clients at the heart of our business. We aim to commit to delivering the full range of our capabilities, knowledge, and resources to meet the needs of our client. Anything you need, just you can WhatsApp me and Sam for any queries. Our company, Sam Travel Tour Investment, was established with my colleagues Amit Sama to ensure the Maldives mutual fund industry. Sama's first business was privately owned travel management company. He's handling tours, business tours, and help clients make the most of their travels, whether it's for business or leisure. If you want to travel to Maldives, you can also call Sama or me to arrange your travel needs. Sama also met numerous clients from various industries and government agencies. That's why this is the beginning of the STTI. STTI is providing sound investment instruments and therefore empowering everyone with a better financial perspective for the future. And our partner with the government by assisting, coordinating, and cooperating with regulatory agencies and growth in the Maldives industry throughout institutions of investments. And here are the prospects for the investments in Maldives. Hold on. Here's the brief overview for the tourism development in Maldives. We celebrated recently the 50-year golden year of tourism, last 2022. And here are the main motivators to visit in Maldives. Number one, for sure, will be the beach. And if you are into diving, it's the underwater beauty. It's 57% of like tourists, they're coming here for diving. Then, of course, if you want to be like rest and relax, peaceful ambience, Maldives is like 44% choices of tourists and small blends. Overall, we are the perfect place to relax. And here are the compositions of resorts, hotel, guest houses, and live abroads. You can see here, despite the international borders closure during the pandemic COVID-19 last March to July 2020, still the Maldivian tourism industry shown an exceptional recovery. And because of that, they're opening everything for investments. We have also 74.1% occupancy in resorts since 2019, even during the pandemic time. Any questions, Nick? Good. Okay, let's continue. Here is the investment climate. You can always advocate the free enterprise of pro-market policies strongly embedded with the government's economic visions. They are very transparent if you want to invest. And also, Here are the incentive for those investors. They have unified business registration service through Invest Maldives, long leases of land up to 99 years. This is very important. You can see how long it is. The easy and obtaining business visa or corporate resident visa for all investors. Then no foreign exchange restriction. This is very important. And they allow also the availability of international arbitration in dispute of settlements. Investment programs for foreign portfolio investors. Custom duty exemptions for large-scale projects. Freedom to use foreign managerial, technical, and unskilled workers. And last but not the least, no restriction on repatriation of profits and capital proceeds. Okay? And here are the pictures for your view. You can see the water villas inside the resorts if you want to invest on this one. They're very popular now. You can see sharks also. Then new opportunities will come along. And here are the opportunities you can grab if you want to invest. Here are the lists, how much minimum lease or acquisition cost on every island. This is in Ha'alif Atoll, Hadal Atoll, Memo Atoll. Have you seen? Okay. And Pafu Atoll. They have various, they're opening lots of islands now for investors if you want to invest. Here are. You can see here the map of Maldives, where is the location. Mostly there's a lot of resorts nearby, and private resorts also is there. Here is in Lamo Atoll. Here. Even from north to south, they are offering. So you can have various options. If you want near the city or like farthest one for more peaceful environment. Okay. Prices are here also. If you're interested in, we'll be sending the copy to Nikolai so that he can also share this with everyone. And if you have anything, questions, you can also direct message us, Sam and Nikolai, for more information. Here are, you can see this is the two island. Then they just connected with like a, what's this? Trail. Yeah, this is how like the islands connected. And that's it. Then here are our numbers and our website. If you have any further questions, you can freely email us at reservations@suntraveltour.com or WhatsApp, Viber us at 960-966-9303. And Sam, I, and Nikolai will be available to answer all your queries. That's all for me. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much, Ina. So I have one question. Maybe you could describe more details about potential investors. How they look like? They supposed to be like Elon Musk or or simple families? I don't know what you are expecting. What kind of people you are expecting, and whom they could invest. Please describe more about like the pictures that you are there and you know which people are coming there. As I understand from Sam, that many people are coming from China. Are they just tourists or they will want to invest? Or please describe the usual in business is describing the potential consumer, potential investor, how it look like. Sam or Ina, can you say? Sorry, couldn't hear you. Microphone is open.
Sorry. There are Okay. There are general guidelines for the bidding and for the investors. Everyone knows that the island will be leased for the period of 50 years to 99 years by the tourism industry with the pursuant of 10th Amendment Act of Maldives. And the island shall be granted a construction of 36 months from the date of signing of lease agreement of the island. Eligible for reclamation may be granted on additional period of 18 months based on the proposed development concept. Then for the acquisition of the leasehold rights of the islands, bidders, you need to bid. Bidders are required to pay lease acquisition acts for the islands on or before 60 days from the date of letter of award. You are doing the bidding. This is the general guidelines for the investors to acquire the island. Then the bidder should require to submit a bank guarantee as a bid security amount issued to the financial institution of Maldives. This is will be handled by SAM because there's a minimum amount of security deposit depending on the island sizes, the island location, and validity. Then the tourism land will rent the islands will depend for the geographical location of the tourism establishments. Then the land rent will pay dollars per square meter per annum from northernmost atolls. Then for central atolls, there's a certain amount also, like a northern, southern, central, and southernmost will have like a minimum dollar per square meter of lease. This is the general guidelines for the bidding. And all of this will be handled by Sam. Then he will be the one to communicate with the government.
Okay, sounds good. Could you send also your price list, all of these calculations, what you show in the presentation, that I will put there below the video that everybody who is interested will contact.
Sure. We'll be sending you the calculation and of course the presentation so you will know how many square meters you will be needing.
Okay.
After this meeting, we'll just send it.
Yeah. So also I have another question, about calculation, about the island, about the business. You said almost everything. So
Sure. We can have another meeting for that.
Could you provide more about why people supposed to invest there? From I don't know about living there, how far is, for example, airport from this island they want to buy, and how they travel there. There is a car, or I don't know how much hour.
Yes, I will.
How about the how to say shops? Is there any shops to buy meal, or I don't know, or restaurants, or anything? How is this? We want to hear something about real life, not just.
Okay. For the shops and everything, everything is available in the city. And then if you want to invest on some things, there's available agencies in the Maldives where you can contact and connect with. For the life, there are other possibilities for the resorts or this island, you can just create like a home, like I presented this earlier, like the performance of each one is either the business or personal or everything, but everything will be in the Maldives is available because now they're like number one tourist destination, and the government is giving lots of opportunities for the importers to bring items in the Maldives, so that now also before There's no Zara in Maldives now. They have Zara, they have Mango, they have Miniso. You can see a lot of opportunities they're opening now to boost the economy of Maldives now. They're opening lots of stores and everything in the city. And if you avail the island, you can also use this as a private one. You can either rent it in US dollars or you just go there for your personal reason, or you just do like a resort and offer it to the other countries as well.
Okay, I understand. What I understand from your presentation, maybe I'm wrong. So, but mostly is this just to open this investment is most to open a resort and how say and invest, invite tourists there to your resort. So something like travel business there. Is there anything except like swimming and diving and all of this? Is there any mountains or I don't know what is other attractions
Yes,
for the tourists?
for attractions for diving, there's any other kind of sports and recreation thing in the Maldives. There's a lot of business opportunities. There's not only resorts, not only like buying a land or what. You can also invest there if you want to do business in there, like clothing, food, restaurants, or shops, and open other things. Is also an opportunity to be there. Sam will be guiding everyone if there's an inquiry, because lots of people, lots of investors, like they open restaurant, Thai restaurant, Indian restaurant, Chinese restaurant is there. Mostly Chinese now are investing in Maldives, doing restaurant business, and clothing business is number one. Most of the coming from Thailand also, because you can see how cheap they are now. Then the opportunity is there because Maldives is just beginning to be open in the industry. They're like they're not like the other countries, like advanced one. So the opportunity is really there.
I like nature. Can you say a little bit more about nature? What I could see there?
You can see there at beach, of course. And I went for snorkeling. There's a lot of place there where you can snorkel, and there's an island there where you can do shark feeding without any danger. I went there. And for diving, there's a lot of diving resorts there, and biosphere. Like there's an island there they're reserving for bio-natural resorts. Then they have underwater guides, also restaurants you can see there, and other things. Most of it is like a nature, love of nature, and peaceful and relaxing one.
Namaste. Okay. So, okay, let's say as you open this discussion about different possibility of investment. So one is resort. You buy an island, you build a resort, and you manage your business there to make to return money and make more money. Okay.
Yeah,
So
actually, like investors can do like small amount of investments. You can start from small things, then you can just like from step one, and then if you want to invest more, you can buy an island. There's a lot of opportunities in there, especially in tourism. If you're in Russia, you can just have a travel agency and partner with the travel agency in Maldives and bring people there to see the islands and the resorts and experience what's Maldives.
okay, next second biggest investment what could be done there. First is resort, another is Sam said about building house. So if I want to build a house there, what you can say about?
Yes, it's okay because now you can see in my last presentation that they're opening it for lease, and then you can hold on. It says here when you do business in Maldives, they are the easy entry obtaining business visa and corporate resident visa is very accessible because they're giving lots of opportunities for business investors and businessmen. Even like you're just representing a company and then you're doing construction there, they're doing like giving you business visa because only 30 days is free, and then if you want to stay longer, like for 3 to 6 months to 1 year, if you're a businessman, investors, it's easily be given to you. They're giving you, and then like you have a freedom for the foreign exchange restriction, freedom to use foreign managerial, technical, and skilled workers if you plan to do business, and then there are lots of uh, availability of international arbitration and no restriction of repatriation of profits also and capital proceeds if you plan to do business there. It's very easy.
I'm mostly asking about, how to say, about building house. For example, like I want to build a house. Okay, how much is the land there nearby water and all of this? Do you have some simple calculation? Because like usually, how to, as a simple people like me, I want to build a house. It's a good idea, big dream there, but how much it will cost? And yeah, something like
For
this.
the cost of building a house, I need to double check it because it will depend on the materials and investments, like
No, about the
investments for
land.
house.
Land. How much is land?
Land. It's like 250 USD
250
to build
USD is
one.
square meter or
No, if for the whole land, it's a
so
guest house. Like you want to build a guest house.
yeah, a
Guest
plot of
house.
land costs how much?
Yeah, it's like 250 USD, 250,000 in
250,000.
dollars.
Okay.
Yeah,
For guest house.
yeah, for guest house.
Okay.
This is investments. Guest house is like you can offer it to other guests, like a mini hotel
Okay, I understand. And the island,
near the beach area.
how much is an island there to buy? They like to rent for 100 years.
For the nearest one in the airport, which is the size of like hold on. Minimum lease acquisition nearest the airport is like 350. They also have this one in Hadal Atoll. It's like $200,000.
This is the island or is it just
Yeah, island.
one
Island.
island?
Yeah, one island.
250,000.
200,000. There's an island in Hadal Atoll. Estimated nearest to airport will be like $200,000 USD.
So it's better to buy an island than a total rent, yes?
Yeah. But this is an island. There's no
Nothing.
house yet. Yeah.
Only trees
You can only
and water.
beach and trees. Yes. Then you can submit the documents for bidding so you can acquire these islands.
Okay,
The
sounds
one I
good.
showed you earlier.
Yeah.
If you want a bigger one, of course the price will be bigger.
Okay,
But
answer.
the island will be more beautiful.
Yeah.
Than
And
those small ones.
from this island to go to airport, you're supposed to have a boat. And how much
A
hours
speedboat. It's either speedboat or a flight.
Okay, and how much
There's a
time?
domestic flight.
How much?
If you're near Mali Airport in the city, it's like 30 minutes. If by a seaplane, if you're coming from Mali to North Atoll, it's like 1 hour and 30 minutes. If going to South, it's the same. If by a speedboat, its minimum will be 2 hours and 30 minutes. If it's farther from Mali, 2 hours, 3 hours, like that, by a speedboat.
Okay. Yeah, so good to hear from you, Ina. And Sam,
Yeah, it's nice to
this
see
is
you
the
also.
first presentation, and let's see how people will react for this, as I will send to thousands of
Okay.
people. And it's so good to discuss about the SEM investments, and that you are
Yeah.
already, all your investment mechanism is done, and just looking for investments. And as I understand, Sam said that he already has some clients.
Yeah.
So, okay, could you show one more time your last screen with the telephone number to contact
Okay,
you?
hold on.
This is most important. Contact.
Yes, yes, of course. Have you
Okay.
seen my screen?
Okay, it's coming up now. Okay, yes, okay.
This one.
Yes, okay, yes. Yes, thank you very much. May
Thank
God
you,
help
Sam.
us in
Thank
this
you, Nick.
great work to build the paradise and heavenly kingdom there.
Yeah.
Zion Island. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank
so
you.
if there
Just
will,
message us if you have anything, questions, and other things you need to
when there
know.
will come opportunities, as I will send this distributed, so I will contact you. And also
Okay.
others could contact you there.
Sure,
Okay,
sure.
bye-bye. Stay happy, healthy there.
Bye.
Waiting for us.
Thank
We
you.
want to come there and rest, build a restaurant for a house.
Yeah.
And
Thank
the
you.
how to say, and fish the sharks. Okay.
Thank
And
you.
most important, to have peace of mind.
Of course.
Yeah, in the nature. Bye-bye.
Yeah.